So you may have heard of Outschool and teaching online with this company, and you may have heard some stories that some teachers have made a lot of money on this platform. Maybe they've surpassed their classroom teaching salary, and you may have wondered, like, is this all a scam? Are these people actually getting paid? The answer is yes. In today's video, we are going to talk all about Outschool pay and getting paid by the Outschool platform. We'll talk about what you get paid, when you get paid, and how you get paid. Make sure to stay until the end because I'll actually talk about how much I was able to make in my first year of teaching online with Outschool. Hi there, my name is Katie Geddes and I am an online music studio owner and a teacher coach. Make sure to grab my free guide to getting started on Outschool linked below. So the first thing you need to know about Outschool pay is what you get paid. You've probably heard that Outschool does take a 30% cut of your earnings. That means that you get to take home 70% of what you earn teaching online with Outschool. How this works is you decide what price you're going to charge per learner for your classes. Outschool takes 30% of that, you get 70% of that, and then how much you make for that class depends on how many learners register for that class. So for example, if I charge $10 per learner in my class, Outschool gets $3 of that 10 and I get $7 of that 10. So if 3 learners enroll in my class, then I get $21 after teaching that class. If 10 learners enroll in that class, then I get $70 after teaching that class. You are allowed to live in 6 different countries when teaching for Outschool: United States, Canada, England, Wales, New Zealand, and Australia, but you are paid in USD no matter where you're teaching from. So if you live in a different country and you have a different currency, then you'll have to use some sort of transfer program like Wise, formerly known as TransferWise, something like that, to get it into your bank account in your home country. Outschool does not cover those fees, unfortunately. Is this your first time hearing about Outschool? This is such an amazing platform that you can teach online with. They have over 1 million learners on the platform that are registered and ready to sign up for classes. And the first step is to apply. So if you're interested in applying, make sure to check out this video here after you finish watching this one. The second thing that you need to know about Outschool pay is when do you get paid? So the Outschool payment schedule, it depends on what type of classes you are teaching. The 4 main types of classes on Outschool are one-time classes, ongoing, flexible schedule classes, and multi-day classes. So the classes that they consider to be fixed duration classes, which basically means that it's very clearly shown in that listing how many meetings there are and how long that class meets for, exactly how many meetings there are in that class. That includes one-time classes, flexible schedule classes, and multi-day classes. So for those types of classes, you are paid 7 to 8 days after you teach them. So if I teach a one-time class on a Monday, then I will likely be paid for that class the following Monday after that. If you taught that class in the evening hours, they say that it's possible that you could get paid 8 days later, so I would get paid on Tuesday anyway, but personally, I usually get paid 1 week after I teach that class. Another popular class type that the Outschool platform has is ongoing classes. The way these classes work is they just meet week to week, and learners can enroll or unenroll at any time, and they just pay like a weekly fee to enroll in that class. So for those classes, you get paid every Sunday, no matter what day of the week that you teach them. So if I taught a class sometime this week, I won't be paid this upcoming Sunday, but the following Sunday after that. As far as classes that are actually taught on Sundays, if you teach it before 4 p.m. Pacific time, then they'll include that pay from that class in the previous week's payout. But if you teach it past 4 p.m. Pacific time, then it will be included in the following week's payout. Another class type that's new to the Outschool platform, not as popular, but is still a thing, is called groups. And that is like a monthly subscription that kids pay where they can be a part of kind of like a community that you have on Outschool. So since those families pay for the entire month all at once, you just get paid for those on the 15th of that month. Are you confused about which type of class is best to put into your schedule on the Outschool platform? I highly recommend checking this video out next, where I go through how I set up my schedule as an online teacher on the Outschool platform. And the third thing we need to talk about with Outschool pay, of course, is how you get paid by Outschool. You get paid by Outschool through PayPal. So once you create an Outschool account, you'll also link it with your PayPal account, and then all payments will be sent to you through your PayPal. Outschool says that their payments each day start processing at 10 a.m. Pacific time, so 7 a.m. Eastern time, and you should get an email confirmation from the email address payments@outschool.com. Believe it or not, in my first year of teaching online with Outschool, I was actually able to surpass my former classroom teaching salary by nearly $30,000. So if you want to see a breakdown of my entire first year of pay with Outschool, then definitely check this video out next. So hopefully this video was helpful for you. I promise Outschool is not a scam. If you do teach for Outschool and you earn something through those classes, you will get paid by them through PayPal. I hope that gives you a little more comfort, or if the process just was a little bit confusing to you, I hope that this helped clear up the process for them and when and how they typically send out payments. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscription button below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!